As you all know that we discussed about personal pronouns in the previous video. Today we will discuss about possessive pronouns. So, possessive pronouns are the pronouns which indicates ownership. Examples of possessive pronouns are mine, yours, theirs, ours, whose, its, his, hers, etc. These pronouns indicate that they belong to that particular person and no one else. Now look at these sentences. Shyam is a brother of mine. Is this book yours? It was not your fault but theirs. Your grades are no better than ours. This fish is so big for its aquarium. That dress is hers. And the bag over there is his. So, the words mine, yours, theirs, ours, its, hers, and his are the pronouns that show who or what owns something. These pronouns are only called possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns do not come before a noun. They stand alone in the sentence. For example, this is my sister's house. This house is hers. So, this was all about possessive pronouns. Thanks for watching the video.